If you're a student looking for flexible ways to make money without quitting school, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 realistic side hustles students can start in 2026, even with limited time, skills, or money. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, Print on Demand Designs. Print on Demand lets you sell custom designs on products like hoodies, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. You create simple designs, upload them to a platform, and they handle printing and shipping. This is great for creative students or anyone willing to learn basic design tools. Side hustle number 2, Freelance Microservices. Microservices are small tasks people pay for, like resume formatting, data entry, research, or social media captions. These services don't require years of experience and can be offered on freelance platforms. Students can build income while learning real-world skills. Number 3, digital note selling. If you already take good notes, this one is underrated. Students are making money by selling organized class notes, study guides, and exam summaries online. You can sell them on note sharing platforms or directly to other students. Once uploaded, your notes can earn money repeatedly with little extra effort. Number 4, short form video editing. Short videos are everywhere, and creators need help. If you can edit vertical videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, this skill is in high demand. You can learn the basics quickly and work with creators, brands, or local businesses. This hustle works well around class schedules and pays per project. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more student-friendly business ideas, and comment below which side also you'd start in 2026. Lastly, AI content assistant. In 2026, many small businesses and creators will need help using AI tools. As an AI content assistant, you can help write social posts, emails, blog drafts, or video descriptions using AI platforms. You don't need to be an expert, just understand prompts, editing, and organization. This is perfect for students because it's remote, flexible, and skill based. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.